Let me show you how to create a document types and number ranges. So you can use the transaction code OBA7 BA7, and then you can and you go to position, and you have to select the document type is A. You get a document type and you double click on this GL account. You will find the document type, number range is showing. Okay, so account types for this creating GL is applicable for all this. Now you have to click on numbering information, and here you have to put the company code. Since we don't have a company code currently, let us create a company code first. So how to create company code? Transaction code /NOX15. You enter, click on new entries, name the company as HW20, company name Hollywood Limited. You can also write here Hollywood. Street name, you give anything as per the requirement. PO Box 1234, postal code 70016, city Kolkata, country IN, now language EN, and currency IN. Okay, and then you save it. You have to create one. How to create your own request? Enterprise structure, configuration of Hollywood Limited. Save. The next step, you have defined a company. Next step is how to define company code. The transaction code for this is /NOX02. Enter, click on new entries. You keep the company and company code same, HW20, company name Hollywood Limited, city Kolkata, country you give IN, India, currency you give IN, and language EN as per your company requirement. And then click on the address format, where you have to give the title of the company, company name Hollywood Limited, such item you can give Hollywood, Park Street, postal code 70016, country IN, and the region. You go to the drop down, you select the state where your company is situated. In this case, I'm taking West Bengal. Rest of the informations are as per the requirement, but the above information is mandatory, and you have to name the city as well. That's Kolkata, and then you enter and you save the data. enter again, once again, and you own request enterprise structure of Hollywood Limited, and you enter here. This is how you create a company code. So once you create a company code, you need to assign the company with a company code. The next step, the transaction code is /NOX16. Enter. A screen will open. Assign company code to company. You have to go to position. Select your company code that you created, HW20. Enter, and you will find the company code is showing the city. Here you have to add the company. That's it, and you save it. So now the okay, that means the company code has not been saved. Okay, let's give transaction code and check whether it is saved or not. /NOX02. Enter. Go to position and give your company code. Okay, here is the company code. Yeah, it is saved. Okay, now you have to need to assign the company code to company. Let's give a transaction code OX16/NOX16. Go to position and give the company code HW20 and enter, and then you give here company HW20 and now save it. Okay, let me check whether the company is defined or not. /NOX15 /NOX15. Go to position, we give the company just now we created HW20 and then we enter. No, it's not showing. That means we have to create it again. So company HW20 Hollywood Limited, Park Street, PO Box 1234, postal code 700016, city is Kolkata, and country you give India IN, language EN. You can give directly or you can go to the drop down and can select the appropriate language for your company, and currency also you can go drop down. There's an option for the search option. You click here, you give INR and you enter. You give the Indian rupee and then you have to save it. Enter. Data is saved. Now let us go and assign company code to company. The transaction code for assigning company code to company is /NOX16. Enter. Go to position, give your company code HW20 and then you enter, and then you give your company just now you created and you save it. Now enterprise structure, it will be saved under enterprise structure configuration Hollywood Limited. Now the data is saved. This is how you create the company, you create a company code and you assign company code to God.